When times get wrong and your dream just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will give you on to the coldest night, to the rain, to the storm. When friends turns and backs on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all I have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road is so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have a faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through when you reach for your star, when you cross the deep sea, when you climb the highest hill. My love is always to be with you, and everything you do, and every step you make, and every road you take.